Leah Burke with Pulpdent Corporation, and I am here with Dr. Delfin Barquero from Costa Rica, who is an ACTIVA user, and he's here to tell us about his experience working with ACTIVA BioACTIVE.
Yes, thank you, Leah, for the invitation, and I am more than honored and so happy to be with the Pulpdent family here in Boston. I've been using ACTIVA for quite a while, and there are three things that I think they're the most important things that the clinician should know. First of all, curing lights are not as good as we think they are. So we need to have dual curing composites in order to really help a tooth being protected by a composite. So if the box is too deep or the cavity is too deep, we should go for dual curing materials like ACTIVA. Another thing that it is really important is that this type of materials are not like just restorative materials. They are helping the tooth remineralize, and this is really a hot topic right now. We need to think bioactive, because we need to put materials that behaves as much as possible as the natural tooth structure. And the third thing that I should mention is that, as you know, around the world, we are changing our materials into softer materials because the impact that a bite can produce is very high. So if we have materials that can behave as a rubber band, so they're more friendly to the tooth structure. So if you have dual curing bioactive activity and rubberdized behavior, you get the three things that will keep a tooth in the mouth of your patient. So I'm in love with the material, and I explain these things to my patients, and they understand and they see the value of my restoration above the cost of my restoration. So they are happily paying for the fee for my restorations because they are now a more informed patient. And we build a trust relation. So it's a win-win situation working with ACTIVA.